Example, if 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan 4 alpha is equal to 2, then alpha is equal to, by using the given expressions we have to find value of the alpha, this alpha. Okay, and here options are, given options are, in first pi by 20 is given, in second here pi by 30 is given, in third here pi by 40, and in last here pi by 60 degree. Okay, so we have to find the correct option by using the given things. Okay, remember here 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan 4 alpha is given. Here to find the exact value of the alpha, here we consider form. Now which form? Remember here 1 plus tan A. We consider one simplest form. To find the value of the alpha. Okay, so 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2 is given. Remember here A is alpha and B is 4 alpha. Okay, if we consider product of these two brackets, we get here 1 plus tan B plus, now we multiply this bracket by tan A, we get here tan A plus tan A into tan B, and this is equal to 2. Okay, now here we have to find the exact value of the given. So I write here tan A plus tan B separately. Okay, so here tan A plus tan B is equal to here 2 minus 1. Here 1 is given in LHS. If we transfer this 1 in opposite side, its value is negative. We get 2 minus 1. We know 2 minus 1 is 1. Then here sign for this tan A into tan B is plus. If we transfer this in opposite side, we get 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, we get this form, and this form is very important. Now we divide both these sides by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Why? Since we know formula for tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, so here I write tan A plus tan B, this divided by here 1 minus tan A into tan B, and this is equal to 1. Now we know this is formula for tan of A plus B. Okay, so here tan of A plus B is equal to, now we write this 1, here 1 is given, and we have to write this 1 in the form of tan, and we know tan pi by 4 is 1. So we replace this 1 by using tan pi by 4. Okay, if we compare both the sides, here we get A plus B, and here A plus B is pi by 4. Okay, so in next step I write A plus B is equal to pi by 4. We get this simple form. Now we know A, here A is alpha. We know B, here B is 4 alpha. So we replace A by using alpha and B by using 4 alpha, and this is equal to pi by 4. And in next we get here 5 alpha is equal to pi by 4, and in last we get here alpha is equal to pi by 20. This is our correct option, pi by 20. That is, here correct option is A. Our correct option is A. So remember, here to solve or here to find value of the given alpha, we use tan of A plus B form. Okay, so this example is very important. Now we go with our next example. Here in next, given if cos of 25 degree plus sine of 25 degree is equal to P, then cos of 50 degree is, then the value of cos of 50 degree is, correct, here options are, in first given square root of 2 minus p square, then in B given minus square root of 2 minus p square, then in third given p into square root of 2 minus p square, and in last in D given minus p into square root of 2 minus p square. We have to find the correct option by using the given relation. Okay, that is value for the cos of 50 degree. Here to find value for given, we consider given relation again. Here cos of 25 degree plus sine of 25 degree is equal to P. Now remember one thing. Here in every option, P square is given. P square is given. So using this relation, firstly we find P square. Okay, so here squaring on both the sides, we get cos of 25 degree plus sine of 25 degree. This bracket square is equal to P square. We know this is of the form a plus b bracket square. We know a plus b bracket square is here a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, so I write this as here cos square 25 degree plus sine square 25 degree plus 2 into sine of 25 degree into cos of 25 degree, and this is equal to P square. Now we know here cos square 25 degree plus sine square 25 degree. For this we know our identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, here cos square 25 degree plus sine square 25 degree is also 1 plus 2 into. Now remember, here 2 sine 25 degree into cos of 25 degree is given. This is of the form 2 sine theta into cos theta. We know 2 sine theta into cos theta is sine 2 theta. Okay, so here 2 sine 25 degree into cos of 25 degree is sine of 50 degree. Sine of 50 degree and is equal to P square as it is. Now I write the sine 50 degree separately as sine of 50 degree separately as a P square minus 1. Now we know here sine 50 degree is given. If it is given, we know how to find the cos of 50 degree. How to find the cos of 50 degree. Again, to find the value, we consider the fundamental identity. And we know here cos of 50 degree is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square of 50 degree. This is equal to, here inside the square root, 1 minus, we know here sine 50 degree is P square minus 1. So here P square minus 1, this bracket square. This is equal to, here inside the square root, 1 minus. Now we expand this P square minus 1 bracket square. Here as minus P raised to 4, then plus 2P square, then minus here 1. Then minus 1. This is equal to, here inside the square root, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Only remains 2p square minus p raised to 4. If we take p square as common, then inside the bracket we have 2 minus p square. And we know square root of p square. Square root of p square is p. Okay, we consider p. Then inside the square root 2 minus p square. So value of cos of 50 degree is here p into square root of 2 minus p square. So correct option is here C. Correct option is C. P into square root of 2 minus p square. Again, very simple example it is. Okay, so here directly by using our identity, we use identity to find the value. Okay, so remember this identity. Now we go with our next example. Here in the next given, example is the value of cos of 12 degree minus sine of 12 degree, this divided by cos of 12 degree plus sine of 12 degree plus sine of 147 degree, this divided by cos of 147 degree is equal to, we have to find value for the given expression. Okay, and here options are given in A 1, in B -1, in C given 0, and in D here 2 is given. We have to find the correct option. Now we go, or to find the value, we consider given things again. Consider cos of 12 degree minus sine of 12 degree, this divided by here cos of 12 degree plus sine of 12 degree plus in next sine of 147 degree upon cos of 147 degree. Now how to find value of given thing? Here to find the value, remember here sine upon cos form is given, that is sine 147 degree upon cos of 147 degree is given, and we know this is tan of 147 degree. In this step we consider tan. So if in this case we get tan, then in the first expression or this expression we convert in the form of tan. And to convert this, here we divide numerator and denominator both by cos of 12 degree. Since here sine of 12 degree is already given, sine 12 upon cos 12 is tan of 12 degree. Okay, so here I write this as is equal to here 1 minus tan of 12 degree, this divided by 1 plus tan of 12 degree is, with plus sign here in next tan of 147 degree. Now here we get form 1 minus tan A upon 1 plus tan A. 1 minus tan A upon 1 plus tan A, and we know this is here tan of pi by 4 plus minus A. Minus A means here 12 degree. Here 12 degree. Okay, so here pi by 4 minus 12 degree is we get this form. Remember here for pi by 4 we consider 45 degree. Okay, here we get 45 minus 12 degree. Then in next with plus sign here tan of 147 degree. We know 45 degree minus 12 degree is 33 degree. Okay, so in next step here this is equal to tan of 33 degree with plus sign. with plus psi. Now here tan of 147 degree is given. Tan of 147 degree. Here we know 147 degree means 180 minus 33 degree. 180 minus 33 is what? 145. So I write this tan of 147 degree as tan of 180 degree minus 33 degree. This is equal to here tan of 33 degree plus, now here 180 minus theta form is given. 180 minus theta, we know this is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, this tan is always negative. This tan is always negative. So we consider minus sign. Okay, so here tan of 180 minus 33 degree is minus tan of 33 degree. Remember, here we use allied angle formula. We use allied angle formula. Here tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. And we know tan 33 minus tan 33 is 0. Here we get 0. So correct option is C. Here C is the correct one. Okay, so again directly by using our allied angle formula, and here form tan of A minus B, we get this answer. We get 0 solution.